Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best purse strap is probably one of the most overlooked accessories when it comes to luxury handbags. But trust me, the right strap can completely transform your bag, adding a touch of personality and practicality. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of purse straps, exploring everything from materials and styles to how to choose the perfect one for your needs and how to care for it. Number 5. Genuine leather replacement strap for crossbody bag. Tired of your old bag strap? This genuine leather replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed to give your favorite handbag a fresh new look. Made from high-quality full-grain leather, this strap is built to last. The material is durable and will age beautifully over time, developing a unique patina. Designed specifically for crossbody bags and handbags, it offers both style and comfort. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for anyone. Replacing your old strap is simple and quick. You can easily attach it to your bag, instantly transforming its look and feel. This strap is not only functional but also stylish. It complements any bag, making it a versatile accessory for any occasion. What we like? This strap is crafted from full-grain leather, known for its exceptional durability. If you're looking for a strap that can withstand daily wear and tear, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and stylish replacement. What people say. When I hooked the strap on, I literally said, "Really?" I was so surprised on how well the color actually matched, and it felt strong enough that I am confident to walk around with it and not worry about my purse coming loose and dropping on the ground. The strap also has many lengths you can adjust the purse to. The color is perfect, the hardware matches exactly, and it's super high quality. Matched perfectly with many color options to choose from. Number 4. Multi-Pouchette Accessories Adjustable Strap. Looking for a way to refresh your favorite bag? This adjustable strap is the perfect solution. It's designed to elevate the look of any crossbody or shoulder purse. This strap offers both versatility and comfort. You can easily adjust it to your desired length, making it suitable for various carrying styles. Crafted with high-quality materials, this strap ensures durability and a luxurious feel. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its elegant appearance. Replacing your old strap is simple and quick. Just attach it to your bag, and you're ready to go. It's a hassle-free way to update your look. The wide design adds a touch of luxury and provides extra comfort. It distributes the weight evenly, making it comfortable to carry even when the bag is full. What we like? This strap features a wide design, offering both comfort and a touch of luxury. The adjustable length ensures a perfect fit for various body types and bag styles. If you like a statement piece that is also practical, this strap is ideal for you. What people say. It is very sturdy and beautiful in person. The strap, hardware, and leather details are great quality. Super happy with the strap and kinda debating on getting the black one also. Number 3. Vachetta leather strap for Keepall and Speedy bags. This replacement strap is crafted from premium Vachetta leather. It's designed to perfectly complement your Keepall and Speedy bags, offering both style and durability. The strap's length is adjustable from 40 to 48 inches, providing a comfortable fit. You can easily customize it to your preferred carrying style. This strap is designed for Keepall 45, 50, 55, and Speedy 40 bags. It seamlessly integrates with these popular bag models. With a width of 1 inch, this strap is ideal for larger bags. It may not be the best fit for smaller bags. The strap features a beautiful patina color, which is darker than new leather. It adds a touch of character and elegance to your bag. What we like? Made from Vachetta leather, this strap is specifically designed for Keepall and Speedy bags. The patina color adds a vintage look. If you have a Keepall or Speedy bag and want a strap that complements its classic style, this is the one. What people say. It looks and feels very expensive and matches perfectly. Spot on to authentic Keepall strap. It's obviously not branded, but it's real leather, even stitching and the red glazing is perfect. It is true Vachetta leather, so I sprayed it with Apple Guard and it did not change the color of the leather, so I was very pleased with that. Number 2. VanEnjoy leather crossbody strap, adjustable, 1/2 width. Tired of uncomfortable straps? This replacement strap is the perfect solution. It's made of genuine leather, ensuring both comfort and durability. The strap's length is easily adjustable. You can customize it from 25 to 51 inches, making it suitable for various body types and bag styles. This strap is crafted from high-quality genuine leather. It feels great and adds a touch of elegance to any bag. It's built to last. With a width of 1-2 inch, it offers a comfortable fit without being bulky. It's designed to distribute weight evenly, making it easy to carry your belongings. Replacing your old strap is simple. Just attach it to your bag, and you're ready to go. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your favorite bag. What we like? This strap offers adjustable length, providing versatility for different carrying preferences. The narrow width is ideal for smaller bags. If you are looking for a strap that is both adjustable and suitable for smaller purses, this is a great option. What people say. The strap is well made and the leather is of good quality. It is a perfect match for my Louis Vuitton bag. The adjustable length is very convenient. Number 1. Vachetta leather adjustable crossbody replacement straps. Tired of worn-out straps? These genuine Vachetta leather straps are the perfect replacement. They'll instantly elevate the look and feel of your favorite purses and shoulder bags. With an adjustable length from 45.5 to 51 inches, it's easy to find the perfect fit. The strap is 130 centimeters long and includes snap hooks for easy attachment to your bag. Made from genuine Vachetta leather, this strap is both durable and stylish. The 1.2 centimeters width provides a comfortable feel while adding a touch of elegance to your bag. Not sure what length you need? Try using a piece of string to measure. Attach it to your bag and adjust until it feels just right, then choose the strap that matches. Remember that different strap widths have different buckle head sizes. Make sure to select the strap that best suits your needs and the design of your bag. What we like? This strap is made of genuine Vachetta leather, offering a premium feel. It features an adjustable length for a customized fit. If you like the look and feel of Vachetta leather and need a strap that can be adjusted to your desired length, you should consider this. What people say. The strap is well made and the leather is of good quality. It is a perfect match for my Louis Vuitton bag and adds a touch of elegance. The adjustable feature is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.